Hey everyone, so I'm here with my cousin Jen. I just did her makeup, so if you want to take a look at this of how I transformed her, then I will link that video down below. So we are going to be making salmon bites, and she actually gave, you actually introduced this to us at a high tea last year, I think early last year. So right before COVID happened, and it was a bomb. I actually did a blog entry on the salmon bites. I don't think I made it quite as good as she did, so I'm gonna have her show you guys. It's probably gonna be easier to follow along on video. I will link this on my blog as well, so like an updated salmon bites entry. And yes, and I hope you follow along and enjoy.
It's gonna be good.
Yes.
I actually discovered this tasty appetizer at a bridal shower. Shout out to Trina. So yeah, we have already pre-sliced our cucumbers. Like when you start, you can start with the peeling. You don't have to peel all of the skin. You can kind of just do sections so it looks pretty. And then you'll cut them into 1-inch slices. And then next we are gonna take our cream cheese and then we're just gonna top each of the cucumbers.
Before Jen started spreading the cream cheese on these slices, we actually used paper towels to blot the extra moisture off of the tops. Later I did use regular cream cheese and not the fluffy ones, and that was actually pretty simple if I applied it with a spoon, and it's a lot easier than using these spreadable tools.
We've already topped our cucumbers with the cream cheese. Be sure to use the whipped cream cheese because it's easier to spread. Okay. So in videos I've seen people like cut the salmon with a knife, but I just find it easier to just use scissors, so that's what I'm doing.
This is what I had my sister doing last time.
Oh really?
I was like, can you just cut these for me?
It's easier.
Yeah.
Is that good or is it too thick?
Oh no. It like looks pretty if it's like kind of folded too. So. It's gonna look pretty with the caviar too.
Yeah. Okay, so Jen and I helped Jen. She did most of the work, but we already topped the cucumbers with the salmon and the, this is just regular fluffy cream cheese.
So we're just topping each of the salmon bites with, we have capers here, we have caviar, and then we have dill. And then just like in this little bottle, it's some more cream cheese just to make it look more pretty, but you can put whatever you want on the top. I will say that the caviar, you can find that at Fred Meyers, or if you want to be more fancy and get like the 200 plus kind, you can look online, but Ain't nobody got
This
time
is
for that.
good enough. Yeah, this is good enough. Yeah, because when you go to Safeway or anything like that, they have the bigger caviars, like the round, I don't know what they're called, roe or something?
Yeah,
I don't know.
that you top with sushi.
Yes, but this stuff I mean, it makes a big difference. It's not as fishy, and it's really good. It makes things pretty too. Okay, we are finally done making these salmon bites. We did them a little bit differently. We kind of kept it a little bit random so that they're not all uniform. But yeah, I'm gonna take a look at that. You'll see some close-ups here, but these look so tasty. And what I love about these is that they're easy, they're quick, you know, if you're serving anything at a party, they should be a fan favorite.
They really are.
Yes.
Yeah.
So what we're gonna do is we are going to try these out, and this is my favorite part. So
I'm eyeing the caviar ones.
yeah. So let's go ahead and take a bite.
Okay.
Yeah. I'll grab this one. That's just closer.
Okay.
Okay.
I'll just
Okay. So this is what mine looks like. So it's just the cream cheese on top of the salmon, and then there's just a piece of dill. And then
mine has the caviar and then the dill.
okay, ready? Cheers.
Cheers.
Okay. It's like ASMR. I can hear it all Yeah. So try this out. Tag both me and Jen, and I'll link her Instagram down below. I may link it here somewhere on the screen, but at Jentastic on Instagram, and of course at the Go Life with M. I will see you soon. Make sure you click on the notification bell for updates, subscribe, like, share, and I'll see you on Sunday.
All right.
Bye.